at Universal Studios. We are here for a quick day. We're starting off our day with Finnegan's and then hopefully getting some rides in.
Yeah, so it's a lovely, cool, windy day here in Orlando, Florida. So come along with us. We're gonna check out lunch first, and then we do have some express passes, so hopefully we get on some rides to show you and have a good Universal day.
That's right. So first things first though, it is lunchtime. Oh yeah, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. But if you haven't been to Finnegan's, we highly recommend it. So come along, we'll show you the food next. There's Finnegan's right there.
Good old Irish place.
Yes, top of the morning to you or early afternoon. But here's the menu. Let us know if you come here what you get. We're getting a burger and Andrea's, or I'm getting, there you go. Burger, shepherd's pie. All right, we got our spot here. It is a great window seat. And look, we just saw a different angle of Back to the Future.
Mega movie parade.
Mega movie. Yeah, great spot here. And Andrea has a Bark root beer.
Yeah.
I got half and half, so it's half Guinness, half Harp. I mean, I've never got one of these before, but that looks really cool.
You can see the two tones.
I know. It's a layered beer.
All right, we got some Ghostbusters. Oh, there's a big old Stay Puft. Oh, we got some Ghostbusters now. Thank you for your service, folks.
Alright, we just had Jaws, now Jurassic Park. Look at that guy. Wow. That is so cool. Lunch has arrived. Look at this. I got a bacon cheeseburger. Gotta see what this is. I didn't remember that on the menu.
Looks like a fried pickle, maybe.
Oh yeah, it does look like a pickle. All right, I'll be having that by itself. Andrea?
I have the shepherd's pie, and I already had one of the carrots, and that was fantastic. This might be cabbage, I'm not 100%. But the shepherd pie looks amazing, so we'll let you know what all this is when we get into it.
Oh, let's see a little spoonful or there. Break this. Oh, it's loaded with beef in the middle. Look
Can't go wrong with cheesy mashed potatoes either.
Oh, all right. May have to try a little bite of that as well. Good choice. All right.
Yeah.
We'll dig into everything and let you know in a minute.
The shepherd's pie is amazing. The beef, the veggies, the mashed potatoes and cheese are fantastic. Like I said, the carrots are good too. I did not get into the cabbage. No, it's like onion. Is that even?
Looks like onion and cabbage. Like
okay,
together.
that's even good. So.
Oh, that's even good. I did get into the burger. I did see it's got a nice little brand on there of a clover leaf. That's cool. Very good. Juicy burger. Good fries. Yeah, this is a winner. Everything's really good. So I think that's all we can say about Finnegan's. Come hungry, and they have good food, good drink. And the place is giant. All right, you can't see what's under the covers. We saw it last month, but they're ready for Halloween Horror Nights. But yeah, we just had our big lunch, so we're gonna hop over to Islands of Adventure. Get some rides in.
Yeah, get a little rides in, our express pass. Won't be that far behind once we get over there. So.
There we go.
Yep. And we'll get rid of some of the crowds that are just coming in.
Yeah, a lot of people coming in for tonight's event. Alright, we may go for Dr. Doom's FearFall. Andrea's only done this once, and she's been itching to do this again.
Just to see if it's like a one-time fluke if I liked it, or if I actually do like it. Oh, 15 minutes.
15. Alright, we'll do it. And we'll show you the footage. Are you ready? Oh boy. Something's happening. Oh boy. Whoa! Oh wow. That's so cool. Whoa! What a view. Well, we have a view of the hotels. Oh.
Kind of like the back view of the park.
Back side of the park.
You really get some airtime.
Oh.
You have served Doom well.
Served Doom well.
I finally have the power I need to crush the Fantastic Four. The triumph of Dr. Doom. All hail Dr. Doom.
We are heading on a little raptor ride with Velocicoaster. It says standby is a 35-minute wait, but we have the express pass, so we'll see how long it is.
Let's go. Here we go. Velocicoaster. Oh boy. Airtime there, man. Quite the boost. Stop it. Oh man, oh man. So awesome. Oh man. Wow. It's so amazing, man. Ah, how about that? Oh, all right, thrilling. Oh, 2 thumbs up. 4 thumbs up. Ah, holy cow. There's a lot of adrenaline there.
All right, so 35-minute wait for regular, 15 for express. Really fun, exciting, thrilling.
Oh yeah. And we were towards the back and it was really fast.
9, so we were getting whipped around.
Yeah, amazing. Welcome to Hogsmeade. Oh, there's the conductor. He's always there.
Smiley and happy.
Yeah. All right, we're in Hogsmeade Honeydukes.
All right.
Oh yes,
Says 40?
Oh, it says 85, so it would be about 40. Well, may as well just do it, I guess. Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. Been a little while since we've been on this, but we are excited.
Ride like that?
Such a cool ride, though.
Don't mind the Thestrals. They're clever and useful they are.
Whoa! All
There you
right.
go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the troops before they set fire Velocicoaster. Full left.
Whoa!
That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons.
Wow!
Fire's gonna kick.
Now that's a ride
Well,
right there.
I'll see. There's
It
a
is.
unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Vixie, Scroops, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts.
Such a ride, man.
See you next lesson.
Very awesome.
All right, Hagrid was amazing. We did show you a little bit of the ride, but now we're finishing off the park with a nice frozen butterbeer.
That looks nice. Look at the foam.
So are you a frozen, regular, or are you a hot butterbeer?
Yeah, well, hot definitely when it's cold in the park. Well, let's give this a little go. Oh, that's a lot of foam.
The best part.
I know why you get brain freeze, because you just keep taking a drink and then it's too much.
All right, well, thanks for coming along with us to this quick little Universal Day. But got a couple rides in, got some snacks. Lunch?
Lunch.
Yeah,
Big
lunch and then the butterbeer. So we had a full day. So what? We had 2 rides. Oh yeah, so 3 rides.
3 rides.
And lunch and then a butterbeer. So we had a full day.
Yeah. So give us a thumbs up. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on
our next adventure. Bye!
The adventure lives on.